Yeah, hi folks, Clint here from the Property Investor Centre. So we're based here in Napier in the Hawke's Bay. As you will likely know, Cyclone Gabrielle absolutely hammered our region. There are hundreds and hundreds of people displaced from their homes. Their homes look like the one behind me. Absolute devastation. They need somewhere to live. Their homes will not be able to be lived in or rebuilt anytime soon. It's going to be a very long process. They simply cannot go on living on couches and floors and friends and families' homes for too much longer. We had a major housing and rental property crisis in this region before the cyclone, obviously, with a major lack of rental accommodation available. Now, with all of these extra people displaced from their homes due to the floods, the problem has just got to unbelievable proportions. So my plea to all investors and any owners of property in this region, in the Hawke's Bay, or any other region that has been greatly impacted by the cyclone and the floods like we have here in the Hawke's Bay, is if you own a property that's set up for Airbnb, say, a book a batch, a short-term stay rental. You might have a personal holiday home. You might have a second home. I know of some people that own apartments in this area, and they're sitting there vacant. They might only use them, occasionally once or twice a year to come here for a holiday. If you own a property like that in an area like here in the Hawke's Bay or anywhere else in the country that has been affected by these floods, and we've got lots and lots of people that are displaced from their homes, my plea to you is please consider opening up that property to the rental market and look at taking on a longer term tenant. If you have not done this type of thing before and you need some help with talking to a property manager, etc., reach out to me and we'll put you in touch with some property management companies that you could look at renting your property through. But there's a seriously dire need. There's some awesome people, great families who now have nowhere to live. And I know that there are properties out there that are sitting vacant for whatever reason. So I urge you to look at making those properties available, taking on some of these families as medium to longer term tenants whilst their homes are rebuilt, which, to be fair, is going to take some time. Let's do what we can to help these people out in their time of need. So reach out if you need any help with any of this, and let's try and make some more properties available to the rental market to look at housing some of these people. Thanks, guys. Kia kaha. Stay strong.